Hey guys, it's Zach here. So today I thought I would show you around my college dorm slash apartment. It's the dorms at my college, but they're kind of apartment style, so kind of a mix between a dorm and an apartment. But yeah, so I thought I would show you around, show you some of the decorations I've gotten and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get into it. It's the front door, so you walk in there. Right across from here is this chalkboard that some of my roommates have drawn on. This is the bathroom. That's me. This is some of my products and stuff, kind of a mess right now. Some of my pants that I'm drying because I can't put them in the dryer. This is the shower. Some of my shower products on top there. This is like a little cubby area. So I've got my towel, some more shorts that I couldn't put in the dryer. In here I've got extra products, cologne, extra cosmetic products, extra towels, all stuff like that. Some hair dye for the future. Yep, and then under there is just like cleaners and stuff. Yep. And in here is the kitchen. So we've got the kitchen side here. And obviously the fridge and freezer, some of my stuff's just mixed in there. That's some of my stuff on that shelf right here. See the Brita thing, I'd really recommend that. It's like a dispenser thing, so this fridge doesn't have one. I got some of my food I meal prepped in here, some hummus, some produce, salsas, spring mix, etc. And in here I've just got some frozen vegetables and my lunchbox, and the rest is my roommate's stuff. Up here I have some of my canned goods stuff, so soups, beans, tomatoes, all that kind of stuff, bread. And up here is more of my pantry stuff. So I got protein powders, vitamins, Cliff bars, some extra clips, gum, bottles, whatever. These are some dates, cashews. I don't know if I said potatoes yet, some rice and other cooking stuff. Some grocery bags in there as well. Then here, all the cabinets are kind of just mixed stuff, so my measuring cups and seasonings are up there. The rest is my roommate's stuff. Obviously the dishwasher, you can hear that running. Up here I have my bowls, rice cooker, all my meal prep containers that I have yet to use. Up there we just have bowls and plates. Obviously the stove, sink, some stuff my roommates have made here. In here is none of my stuff, and bowls, cups, etc. up there. And then here's this little island, some of my roommate's food and stuff, and pans and stuff are in there. On this island we have some of my tomatoes and then my roommate's candy and stuff. And here we have like a little utility closet. It's kind of a mess right now, but just some of my roommate's pantry stuff, recycling, vacuum, all that stuff. In here is the living room as well. So the two couches, table, our TV stand, and this TV came with it. And the rest is some of my roommate's stuff that they brought from their houses. Over here are some of my plants that I brought from home, and this too. That one, it's not mine. But yeah, so they've been getting a little bit more sunlight in here than my room at home. And then over here is my room that I share with my roommate, so that's my roommate's side. Over here, let's start with my closet. I've got sweatshirts, shorts, mixed regular shorts and sweatshorts, some gym bags, stuff like that, shoes, sandals, athletic shoes. This is just some accessories, underwear, socks, extra art supplies are here. A bunch of my tops, most of my like shirts, or like good shirts, like plain t-shirts and stuff are in there, but good shirts, sweaters, sweatshirts, button-down shirts, etc. in here. Got other t-shirts in here, pants in here, and then swimsuits, athletic clothes, sweatpants, athletic shorts. Obviously my hamper and some reusable bags back in there. And I actually have all my moving boxes back here. So everything still labeled with what I brought here will be back there, and I can just use them when I move back in. Up here is my Polaroid wall, so a bunch of fun memories with me and my friends. Some from back home, some I've taken here. Here I have the desk, so it came with like the closet space, obviously, and the dresser in there. Came with the desk and the bed frame and the nightstand. So just like a cutting board, some paper for a project I have to work on, some paintbrushes, markers, desk lamp. And then here I just have on my whiteboard my schedule, upcoming events for school, assignments, general to-dos, but I don't have anything on there right now. And then this collage that I'm making. So I'm hoping it gets way bigger by the end of the year, but this is a drawing that my friend made, and then some little quotes and stuff from notes I've taken. These posters up here are from Society 6. This pillow is also from Society 6. Comforter, I don't really remember that's from, it's kind of an old one. My backpack. Here I have a bunch of postcards and such. So some of them are from places that I've traveled to, and then some are these little art ones that I found, or that I got from my grandma. Some little tickets and stuff like that. And then that one's actually from Goodwill. It's like an album cover that I cut out and hung up. And then here I have some plants. This one's actually fake, but that did not stop my cat from chewing on it at home. This plant I got when I was here at a grocery store. So I've heard this is one of the hardest plants to keep alive, but it's still alive, so that's kind of a miracle. My new little watering can that I got, a little statue of David that I got in Italy, this little project that we're working on in one of my classes, so that's pretty cool. It was actually laser cut out of, so I designed the little pieces, and then that was laser cut out of acrylic on a laser cutter. Here I have my nightstand, some books and such under there. And yeah, that pretty much completes my room. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that quick little room tour. If you did, give it a like and subscribe for more in the future. I plan to do a little week in my life in college coming up, and then just some other fun videos planned in the future. So yeah, let me know. I haven't been posting very frequently just because I've been getting in the swing of college and stuff, but hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.